Today I will teach you in this video how to use title and text in Filmora. First of all, open Filmora. Grab and drop this video on the timeline. Grab and drop this video on the timeline. Click Titles. Here you can see different titles. Now select one title. Grab the title and drop this on the timeline. Double-click the title and put any words. Select text and put any words. Click the title and text. Select animations in this video. Select position X for move right and left sides. Select position Y for move up and down. Click Scale to zoom in and out. Click Rotate to change any directions. Click any words and text them. Click Text Color and select Title Color. Click Text Color and select Text Color. So this was the overall case of title and text which I teach you. Hit the subscribe button. If any questions, ask that in the comment section. See you in the next video.